Are you getting Minecraft error code B-0010 on Nintendo Switch? Then you are at the right place. We have got some easy ways that you can use to fix this issue. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Method 1. Check your internet connection. You mostly get Minecraft error code B-0010 due to an unstable internet connection, corrupted cache files, and an outdated game version. The first thing you can do is check if you are having a stable internet connection. You should ensure that your Nintendo Switch is connected to a stable internet. Make sure you are connected to a 5 GHz signal instead of 2.4 GHz. While 2.4 GHz is better at penetrating walls, it can get crowded due to various wireless devices using the same frequency. Switching to 5 GHz provides faster speeds and better reliability for online gaming. Connect to your router's 5G signal for an improved experience. The position of your router matters. Place it in an optimal location to enhance range and stability. Avoid obstructions like thick walls or wire mesh inside walls. Experiment with different positions to find the best spot for a strong signal. Method 2. Power cycle the router or modem. Next, you can power cycle the router or modem. This can fix network-related issues. Unplug the modem or router from the power outlet. Wait at least 15 seconds to ensure any residual electricity in the capacitors, the CPETs. Power on the router or modem. If you have separate devices, you can use a smart plug to restart both your router and modem together. Method 3. Run a connection test. You can also perform an internet connection test on your Nintendo Switch. From the home menu, select the System Settings icon. Scroll down to Internet and choose Test Connection. The test will begin immediately and the results will indicate if your console is successfully connected to Nintendo's services. Sometimes, due to an unstable network connection, you may have a problem while downloading an app or a game on your Nintendo Switch. So, remove and re-add the internet connection on your Nintendo Switch. To do so, open the system settings of your Nintendo Switch. Then choose the Internet option. Click on Internet Settings and then choose the network you are using. Then select Clear Settings. Then delete settings and confirm your action if asked. Wait for a few minutes and then add the Wi-Fi connection back. Method 4. Try a different connection. You can also shift to a different network and see if that works for you. If you have access to a different Wi-Fi connection, then switch to that. You can also choose an Ethernet connection as it ensures a more stable connection. Also, make sure the Ethernet cable is properly connected and there is no loose connection. You can disconnect your Ethernet cable from all the sources and connect it to some other device on another internet connection to check it. Method 5. Check for system updates. Ensure that your console has the latest system version. Go to System Settings and select System Update to check for updates. Look for any available updates for the game or application that's causing the error. Method 6. Check for corrupt data. In System Settings, navigate to Data Management, then select Manage Software. Choose Minecraft and select Check for corrupt data. Wait for the process to complete and then see if this could fix the issue. Method 7. Clear Nintendo Switch cache. The accumulated cache on your Nintendo Switch can be corrupted and due to this, you may encounter error code on Nintendo Switch. So, clear the cache and check if this can fix the error. Open System Settings and click on the System tab. Select Formatting options as shown below. Next, select Reset Cache to clear all cache and cookies. Follow the on-screen instructions to finish the process. Method 8. Delete saved data. Select System Settings, then head to Data Management and select it. Then tap on Delete, save data from the right pane. Now delete some of your saved data. Method 9. Update the game manually. Sometimes updating the game manually can fix the error on Nintendo Switch. From your home screen, select Minecraft. Make sure not to launch it. Press the Add button of your controller and then click on the Software Update option. Go to the right panel and click on Via the Internet option. Wait for the process to get completed. Afterwards, check if you are getting the Nintendo error again. Method 10. Delete and re-download software. If the above steps don't work, you may need to delete the problematic game and re-download it from the Nintendo eShop. To uninstall the game, from the home menu, select System Settings. Scroll down and select Data Management. On the right-hand side, select Software. Choose Minecraft. Select Delete Software. Confirm by selecting Delete when prompted. To reinstall the game, open the Nintendo eShop from the home menu. Select the account you want to use. Click on your profile in the top right corner of the screen. Scroll down to re-download. Find Minecraft and select the download button next to it. Deleting a game will not delete your saved data, which is tied to your Nintendo account. You can re-download the game anytime and resume from where you left off. And there you have it, the methods to fix the Minecraft error code B-0010 on Nintendo Switch. We hope one of these methods have worked for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Leave a comment and help others know which solution solved your problem. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.